How to buy a Vinecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Vine. So before stock, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that's found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on Dick Screener. So as you can see here, it's created 23 hours ago and it's increased by 213,000% in the last 24 hours. The market cap, as you can see, $181.6 million. The value, it's $1.2 billion. As you can see here, guys, they have a good project. The liquidity here are locked by 84%. That's good. That's made your investment in the safe place. This token, it's trending right now the #1 index screener. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Click here, paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive of that token. So after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a Vine token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.